Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is our latest vlog for today ay patungkol sa papanaw ng kanilang brother ko na si Osman. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please don't likes, shares, comments, views. Abuti ng 500. I-supportin natin sa ating social media pa. Ang ating latest vlog entitled We Love You, Kuya. Our latest vlog on Gabby's Vlog 376 and episode 376. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Ano natin ito. Ayan. Last Wednesday, October 8, that my brother is now passed away due to heart stroke or parang cardiac arrest. Oh, parang heart attack. Due to heart stroke or cardiac arrest. Binawian ng buhay last Wednesday, October 8 at umaga or tanghali namatay. Dahil ang heart stroke or parang cardiac arrest na pupunta sa brain. Kaya wag po napansinin. That nangyari sa preparation on their burol kahapon sa church in Evergreen Evergreen Village in Bagong Bukalokan. Diyan mangyayari yung gaganapin burol hanggang parang 3 days lang siya dito. But makakaroon ng mass and kailan kaya ang lilibing sa I think 3 choices kasi kung sa Forest Park, sa Quezon City, or sa Heritage Park sa Taguig gaganapin living or yung resting place. Resting place talaga yung kuya. Thank you so much, my kuya Osman Marcelino Imenso, who was born on February 1, 1983. My tatay is Wali, my mommy is Armida or Army. May kapatid ng babae si Ellen or Louie. Kasi favorite ko ng mga video games, mga Street Fighter, yung mga Bomberman, Clonoa, yan. Miss ko yung mga video games niyan. Even na yun, arcade na ulit talaga. At ang favorite ng bonding moments, yung nakapunta sa mga places like swimming and others. Yung pinaka-last nakapunta ko, kasama yung kaninang brother ko, sa birthday ng si Tito Lori at saka si Ate Che and Chester sa isang Tradway buffet in Pasay City along Ross Boulevard. And of course, and finally was supposed sana mapupunta sana na yung Oktobre para sa birthday ni na Jezreel, Jessie, Atele, my sister, and iba pa mga October celebrants, which is kung swimming ba or dito sa bike or Samoa was supposed, kaya wala na po yung kuya. Ito na yung first Christmas ko kahit wala na pong brother ko, si Osman. But we love you so much. And rest in peace, my man, Kuya Osman. For our latest vlog ends, see you on Sunday. Pag-usapan natin tungkol sa all 8 entries para sa this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. Thanks for watching. Bye.